Page 9, number 14. This incorporates something called pickup notes. You take a look at the very beginning, you only have 2 quarter notes in the first measure. If you look at the end of the song, you have a half note in the last measure. Pickup notes, you basically take 2 notes from the beginning of the song, you put them at the end. So that half note at the end of the song is actually counts 1 and 2. These notes at the beginning of the song are actually counts 3 and 4. If you look, you have a bar line. The note right before the bar line is 4. The note before that is 3. So you can do it that way too. But you start counting with count 3. Count the rhythm for number 14. 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. The song ends with counts 1 and 2. Counts 3 and 4 for the end of the song are at the beginning. They're the pickup notes. So, play it. 2, ready, go. There you go. Repeat it over again. Play it several times so it becomes easy to play.